So let's take a look at an example where the processing that you want to do in the analog domain is basically a frequency processing, right? So what you want to implement in the analog domain here is, let's say, a low pass filter, right? So so the so what you want in the output is cutting off, let's say, any signal that is greater than 100 hertz. Okay, so you want to pass all signals from 0 to 100 hertz and cut off all signals from 100 and above. So how do you implement this in the digital domain? Okay, to do that, the first thing that you will have to understand is, how is frequency represented in the digital domain? And what does this processing that we are doing in the digital domain, where we are combining different samples, or we are doing some processing to different samples, how does this relate to the frequency of the signal in the digital domain? Okay, so let's take a look at that.